all. So today we are going to look at T-bill yield function in Excel. So T-bill yield function is used to determine the yield on a treasury bill. So when we are talking about a T-bill, we have got parameters such as settlement date, maturity date, and price. So settlement date is the date when the T-bill is being traded to the buyer. Maturity date is when the T-bill expires. And the price is price of the T-bill as with respect to the 100 face value. Now, settlement, a few things we need to keep in mind that settlement date cannot be more than maturity date. Since we are dealing with a treasury bill, the difference between settlement date and maturity date cannot be more than 1 year. And price cannot be less than zero. So let me use date function for the settlement date. I write 2023, second month, and 12. Same way, we'll put in for the maturity date using date function 2023, say sixth month. So suppose if I consider price to be 97, as in normally in case of a T-bill, it is being issued at a discount and redeemed at par. So yield would be we'll use this function. I'll select the settlement date, maturity date, and the maturity date and the price. I'm getting returns to be 9.28%. Now, if I don't have to use this function, let's say, if I want to do the calculation, then I'll need to use this whole function 100 minus price divided by price multiplied with 360 divided by maturity date and settlement date difference. So let me put in the values over here and see what output we are getting. So 100 minus price, and this is the price we have. Right? Select this, multiplied with 360 divided by difference between the dates, maturity date minus settlement date. Open brackets over here. And I'll close this. So I'm getting the same output, that is 9.28% using the formula or using the elaborated formula rather. This is how we can determine T-bill yield rather using T-bill yield function in Excel. So in case this video was helpful, please do like the video and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. For example, for T-bills, I have also put in videos for T-bill price and T-bill equivalent function.